Good evening everyone and welcome back to our channel. I am Twinkle Watra from IME Law College and currently a legal intern at Lexis and Company. And in my last video I told you about POA, that is power of attorney, and in this video I will tell you on the basis of the power of attorney can you become the owner of the property, right? So let's just start. A person becomes the owner of the property only when he has say seat in his name, or when he buys the property from title holder, he registered that sales deed in his name. Other than that, he can become the owner only when he gets that property from a gift or through will. But condition also applied here that gift deed should also be registered. So sometime it happens that to save stamp duty and registration charges, people make an agreement between them and the seller and takes the possession of that property. But if we will talk legally, then that possession is no possession, because on the basis of only an agreement you cannot become the owner of that property. So you have to make an sales deed in your name, only then you will become the owner. And Indian Registration Act also says that if the value of the property is more than rupees 100, then it should be transferred only on the basis of registration deed. And nowadays we all know that all the property that we have or we see is more than rupees 100. So only a registration deed will work, and none other document will work. So in some situation it also happens that along with an agreement, people also execute POA in their favor, so that if any dispute arise in future they can resolve that. But on that basis also you cannot become the owner, because POA, I told you in my earlier video also, that it is only an authority on which an agent can act on behalf of the principal. Like he can transfer the property, he can buy or sell the property, and he can come in contact with third person on the behalf of principal. But he cannot be considered as the owner of the property. And there is a situation in which a person cannot come to execute sales deed in your name. So in that situation he can do one thing, that he can assign an agent and can give his POA to an agent, and that agent can give you sales deed. In that case sales deed will also be registered and you will become the ultimate owner of the property. And there are also situations when person along with POA and agreement execute a will in their favor, so that they can resolve the future dispute, and they think that they become the owner by executing the will. And there are less charges in executing a will as well, right? But it is also not correct, because they think that if they will execute a will, so if that person is alive, they will show POA and agreement and will claim the property, and if that person is dead, then they will show will and then claim the property. But this is not right. In 2011 decision by Supreme Court said that sale of the property can only be taken by the registered deed and nothing else. So sales deed is really very important if you want to become an owner of the property. So I will tell you some of the advantage of sales deed as well. So first is that sales deed finalize the sale into legal document, and it is also enforceable by law. Second is a sales deed reduce hassles, and all money due can be mentioned in that document, making the sales deed more smooth and easy. And last is ensure that you and your property is not taken for granted. Sales deed ensures that your property is not for granted and gives the existence of a registered and stamped legal document. So this was it, and you can only become the owner by executing or registered a sales deed in favor of your name. And if you spend lakh and crore of rupees in buying and property, so you should also make a sales deed, so that if any hindrance occur in future, you can go directly to the court for redressal. So I hope you like this video, and if you have any doubt you can comment me below. I will resolve it at my earliest. And thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel.